choice today with 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.